Vancouver Island, we're living the dream. All the places I have been and have seen. Vancouver Island, where I live now. So come with me, I'll show you how.
Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today we're going to uncover one of Qualicum Beach's can't-miss summer events. Before we start, I just want to welcome everyone to my channel where we explore the stunning beauty of Qualicum Beach in Parksville, BC and discover all of the incredible things this place has to offer. So here we are down at Qualicum Beach, enjoying the beautiful weather and soaking in the island lifestyle. There are all kinds of exciting things going on here today, including waterfront activities and displays to check out, some beachfront activities like sandcastle building, giant bubbles, and even skydivers, and stage performances all throughout the day from some really fun acts. This event is called Beach Days, a can't-miss summer event here along the stunning coastline of Qualicum Beach, BC.
Vancouver Island, we're living the dream.
Thanks for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes exploring the wonders of this remarkable region. Again, I'm Thom, local realtor. If you have any questions at all about buying a home here on Vancouver Island, look no further, reach out to me, we'll get you on your way to living the island dream. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you soon.